Hello, everyone. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. So, today I'm doing a little unboxing as well as testing out one of these pots. This is a set of 3 Emusa cookware. I have 3 pots. One is a 1.4 quart. Then I have a 2.3 quart. And the one that I'm going to use is 4.9 quarts. So that's going to be my favorite pot. That's going to be my peas and rice pot. This is it right here. Right here. These are great pots. 3 pots. It's a baby, the mommy, and the daddy. Okay, now it has a little warning that you can use them in the oven, but not with the cover. Because the knob is made of wood and it will burn. So now it's already washed up and I'm going to begin my peas and rice. Continue watching. I must pause right there to greet my people. It is so nice of you to join me here on the day before Valentine's Day. Thank you very much for coming back. To those of you who are always here, happy Valentine's and God bless you. You are and forever will be my MVP. To my brand new subscribers, my brand new visitors, you are welcome and God bless you. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you and continue watching. If you would like to donate to this channel to keep us current, please click on one of the links in the description box below. There is a PayPal link there, a Patreon link. There is a link there for our merch store as well as our Amazon store. Now with the Amazon store, if you were to purchase something even through my link, I will receive a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you in advance and God bless you. some of you might not be able to get out this Valentine's. Bring the restaurant home the way I'm doing it. I'm still doing it. I'm still doing it. I am still bringing the restaurant home. God bless you. You want good rice just like this every time? Get yourself a set of these Imusa pot set. You will be happy. They're reasonable. The link is in the description box below. Get yourself one today. God bless you. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Please give it a thumbs up. Share it out. Leave a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. And be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.